You searched how to buy shares of Yatra Online Inc. Yatra Online Inc. is an online travel company offering flights, hotels, and holiday packages, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker YTRA. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy YTRA, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify the account with an identity document and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker YTRA to locate the company listing. Confirm, you select the NASDAQ result that corresponds to Yatra Online Inc. Open the stock page to review the company summary, recent news, and the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker, and exchange to make sure this is the correct asset. To place an order, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest and choose the order options, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.